Hi children, welcome back. In our previous class, we have learned Vyanjanaksha, ta, tha, da and da. Today let us revise it. Ta. Ta se tarbuz. Tarbuz, watermelon. WATERMELON, watermelon. Tarbuz, watermelon. Ta se tabla, tabla. TABLA, tabla. Tabla, tabla. Tha. Tha se thermometer. Thermometer, thermometer. THERMOMETER, thermometer. Tha se thermos. Thermos, flask. FLASK, flask. Da. Da se darwaza. Darwaza, door. DOOR, door. Da se darji. Darji, tailor. TAILOR, tailor. Dha. Dha se dhanush. Dhanush, bow. BOW, bow. Dhanush, bow. Dha se dhan, money. MONEY, money. Dha se dhan, money. After da, our next Vyanjan is dha. Some of the words given is starting with dha. Listen carefully and try to speak. Dha se dhanush. Dhanush, bow. Dha se dhan. Dhan, money. Dha se dhania. Dhania, coriander. All these words starting with dha. Today we are going to learn our new Vyanjan, that is Vyanjan na. Watch the way of writing na. Na. Once again watch. Na. Na se null. Null, tap. Na. Na se nadi. Nadi, river. Nadi, river. Now all of you open a Hindi textbook, page number 31 and try to read na. Na se nadi. Nadi, river. RIVER, river. Na se nadi, river. Na. Na se null, tap. TAP, tap. Now try to write na. First try to write na with your fingertip. 1, 2, 3. Yes, once again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now take out a pencil and try to write with your pencil. Write and study na. While writing, say and write na. After finish writing na, look at your textbook, page number 52. चित्र को देखकर सही अक्षर पर गोला लगाओ. See the picture and circle the correct letter. Here first picture of a tap. What is the Hindi word for tap? Yes, tap, Hindi word null. So you have to circle na. And the second picture of a door. What is the Hindi word for door? Yes, door, darwaza. Darwaza, door. So you have to circle da. Here two options are given. Which are they? Yes, first letter is the and the second letter dha. First the is the correct answer. And the third picture of a bow. What is the Hindi word for bow? Bow, dhanush. Dhanush, bow. So you have to circle dha. And the fourth picture of a river. What is the Hindi word for river? River, nadi. Here two options are given. First one the and the second one na. Which is the correct letter? Yes, na is the correct letter. So you have to circle na. Our second exercise. एक जैसे अक्षर पर गोला लगाओ. Circle the same letter. Here first letter da. Your question is da. If another da is there in the line, you can circle. First letter dha, na and da. Repeating da, you can circle. And the second letter dha, da, dha, na. You have to circle second dha. That dha is repeating. Our third exercise. रंगीन बिंदुओं को जोड़ो और नाव का चित्र पूरा करो. Join the dots and complete the picture of the boat. Here inside the dot, one boat is there. You have to find out the hiding boat. Join the dots and find out the picture of the boat. Okay, understood now? Our next exercise, आओ दोहराएं. Let us revise. चित्र का नाम बोलो और शुरू की आवाज़ें मिलाओ. Say the name of the picture and match its beginning sound. Here our first picture of a tap. What is the Hindi word for tap? Tap, null. Tap, null. So you have to match tap with na. And the second picture of money. What is the Hindi word for money? Money, dhan. So you have to match money with dha. And the third picture of ink pot. Ink pot, Hindi word dawat. Dawat, ink pot. So you have to match ink pot with da. And our fourth picture of flask. Flask, Hindi word thermos. Thermos, flask. So you have to match tha with flask. And our fifth picture of arrow. Arrow, Hindi word tir. Tir, arrow. So you have to match ta with arrow. Tir, arrow. Our next exercise. इस अक्षर के बाद क्या आएगा? What will come after this letter? What will come after cha? After cha, our next letter is cha. Second one, da. What comes after da? After da, dha. Next, what comes after tha? Ta, tha. Next word, da. Very good. Dha. And next word, cha. What letter comes after cha? Cha, cha. Next, yes, ja. Next, इस अक्षर के पहले क्या आएगा? What will come before this letter? Before na. Which letter will come before this letter na? Yes, ta, ta, da, dha, na. So before na, dha will come. Next, what will come before dha? Ta, tha, da, dha. So before dha, da will come. And what letter will come before kha? Ka, kha. So before kha, ka will come. And next, gha. Which letter will come before gha? Ka, kha, ga, gha. So before gha, which letter will come? Ga will come. Understood now? After completing your Hindi textbook, open your Hindi cursive writing book and write na. Write neatly. Na say null. Null tap. Today's notes. Dear children, open a Hindi notebook, put today's date and write na. Write na neatly. Okay? I hope all of you understood the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.